Hey keto friends, it's Carolyn coming at you with another great keto recipe. Today we're going to actually make a side dish. This is a super easy side dish full of great flavor. You can serve it with just about anything and it comes together in about 10 minutes. So this really is a copycat of Chipotle's famous cilantro lime rice. But of course theirs is made with rice and ours is made with cauliflower rice. This is really a great way to jazz up your cauliflower rice, adding in a lot of flavor, but you're still not hiding the fact that it's cauliflower. So today I'm going to make things extra easy on myself and just use a bag of cauliflower rice. You can always take a head of cauliflower and stick it in your blender or your food processor and blend it. That's essentially what they've done here, but this just means less cleanup for me. So the first step is really just to melt your butter in a pan over medium-high heat. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just gonna pop it in there and let it melt. And you wanna get your butter to the point where it's a little bit frothy and it's starting to sizzle before you add your cauliflower. And this is 16 ounces of cauliflower, so it's probably the same as a large head of cauliflower. You're just gonna pop it all in there and saute it to soak up the butter. So once you have your cauliflower all coated in the butter, you wanna add a little salt and pepper, which will help it soften and cook properly. So I usually add about half a teaspoon of salt and some freshly ground pepper. And if you're someone who likes a little extra heat, I suggest putting in a tiny bit of chipotle powder. Not too much, it's pretty strong. And it's gonna probably take about 5 to 7 minutes to get it nice and tender. So now it's nice and tender crisp, and I'm gonna turn off my heat. Move that out of the way, and then we're gonna get our cilantro and our lime ready. Cilantro can be hard to chop up. It always sticks to the knife. So I'm gonna show you a fun little trick that I learned one time from a professional chef. I love this idea. You put your cilantro leaves into a glass and then you take some kitchen shears and all you do is chop it up like this. And you'll get it nice and finely chopped. And now we're just going to add the juice from 1 lime. This adds up to a tablespoon or 2 of lime juice. You can always add more if you like. I'm just gonna squeeze it right in there and it gives it such a great fresh flavor. I can put lime in anything. And we're just gonna stir in our nicely chopped cilantro. Stir that in. And now you just wanna taste for seasonings and make sure it's got what you want in it. I think mine can use a little more salt. And there you go, guys, a super easy keto side dish that you can serve with just about anything. It's full of great flavor. It pairs perfectly with chicken, with fish, with steak, whatever you want to serve it with. You can find this easy keto recipe and so many more on All Day I Dream About Food.